So guys, I've ended the reference books, and I've given one international and another one the Kenyan book. Now, in that section, in that video also, I included the lesson plan. So I killed two birds with one stone. So now what I want to do now, guys, is I want to give lesson notes on introduction to numbers. All right. So welcome, and be part of me. So there we go. Lesson notes, introduction to numbers. The subject is mathematics. Topic is introduction to numbers. Grade level is junior secondary. And the lesson will take 45 minutes. The lesson will take 45 minutes. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to define and identify different types of numbers. Secondly, students should understand the significance of numbers in daily life. And third, differentiate between natural numbers with whole numbers and integers. Materials: whiteboard and markers, number chart, textbooks, and handouts. Key concepts: natural numbers, numbers used for counting, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are also known as counting numbers. Whole numbers, natural numbers including 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Integers, whole numbers and their negative counterparts, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Lesson activities: warm up 5 minutes, discussion prompt: why are numbers important in our daily lives? Encourage students to share examples of how they use numbers, e.g. telling time, counting money, or measuring ingredients. Introduction, 10 minutes. Natural numbers, define natural numbers. Example, counting objects such as apples. Write examples on the board, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole numbers, define whole numbers. Explain the whole numbers, include all natural numbers and 0. Write examples on the board, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Define integers. Explain that integers include positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. Write examples on the board. Use a number line to visually represent the integers. Activity, 20 minutes, classifying numbers. Distribute handouts with a list of numbers. Ask students to classify each number as natural, whole, or integer. Group activity, divide the students into small groups. Provide each group with chart paper and markers. Each group creates a chart categorizing a set of numbers into natural, whole, and the integers. Display and discuss each group's chart. All right. Classifying numbers, distribute handouts with a list of numbers. Ask students to classify each number as a natural, whole, or an integer. Group activity, divide the students into small groups. Provide each group with chart paper and markers. Each group create a chart categorizing the numbers. Summary, 5 minutes. Recap definition and examples of natural numbers, whole numbers, and integer. Address any questions from students. Worksheet. Assign a worksheet that includes a mix of problems requiring students to identify and classify natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Evaluate students' understanding through participation in the class discussion and group activity. Review the completed worksheet to assess individual comprehension. That is assessment. Additional notes. Mention some real-life applications of each type of number to help students understand their relevance. For instance, natural numbers, counting items in a grocery store; whole numbers, representing years in a calendar; integers, calculating temperature changes, e.g. -5 degrees centigrade. Encouragement. Encourage students to ask questions if they do not understand a concept. Foster an interactive environment where students feel comfortable